Okay, we're going to fly entrance Avata manual mode. Okay.
Okay. Center, diagonal center.
Diagonal center. I already make it into manual mode. But where is the start button?
You push the 2 sticks.
First, I think normal mode.
Hey,
Manual.
No, not yet.
Wait lah.
Wow, can see things falling over.
wow.
You can see it.
Success, bro!
Oh, this one can see it.
Behind it's like trying to send an avatar like a
Yeah.
Oh, look at
Ah,
that, man.
hey, the flip.
It's like a
Come on. Signal jam.
you can see it's like struggling with the.
The monitor signal. The monitor signal jam.
Oh no!
Unplug and plug in again. Maybe it will.
Try apply.
What throttle you must give to catch yourself, man?
Oh man. So like need to do just like a normal speed. Yeah, like
Whoa! There's the catch, right? Whoa!
almost in the tree.
Whoa!
Lucky I didn't see.
Under control. Okay, return to home. Where's my battery level?
Bottom right corner.
Yeah, gap through the trees.
Yeah, 55% again.
There's a bit of a weird jitter.
Yeah, shudder, right? That's the problem that they
It's
were
not
talking about.
it's not smooth, you know.
When you do a quick yaw, it shudders.
Check
No,
the battery address.
52.
52%. But like right now when I'm flying, I can see like a bit of like jitter. It's not like a smooth. When I fly the normal, what you call it? The normal air unit.
Whoa.
The normal air unit,
Yeah.
it feels.
It looks jittery lah.
Yeah.
But I think maybe on the
And this spot,
recording is okay.
Yeah.
I don't know what to say, but this spot doesn't feel
Aku pun tak
smooth
berani.
and something. And like the moment I do a speed S, you see how it's struggling?
That's the crop wash problem that they have.
But I think this is not a tuning, because the thing is you can't tune the avatar, right?
But you got me
The camera what?
camera mount. Because it's on a gimbal.
It's on a gimbal, right?
So because of that, it is.
Oh,
so when
okay,
you
okay, correcting. He's trying to correct, is it?
Whoa, what the hell was that?
It is a your
What
washout.
the hell was that?
Your washout, bro.
The classic yaw washout
Yeah.
for the Avata.
Yeah.
What the hell was that? And why did I manage to
You
recover from it?
recovered, man.
So far, a lot of people don't recover from it.
Yeah. So far, it just goes down.
What the heck?
It just spins out.
Did you see that? That was shit.
Don't do hard yaws.
Fly like
Oh!
That's true.
Fly the Avata like a race move.
This guy is flying it like a freaking 6S squad, man.
Like a race move.
Mana dia punya
Flying
drone?
like a 6S.
Oh, this is an avatar? I didn't know.
Okay, 30%.
Okay, landing time.
Still can go ah. Lama juga sih manual.
Guys, this is the longest I've flown like one time.
Yeah.
My eyes are getting tired.
How's the OLED screen?
Nice. I think it's a bit too. What do you call it?
Too bright.
The colors
Too
are,
sharp.
too Rex 709 for me.
2 Rex 709.
No, because I put it on the hands. I put it on the hands.
You know, because I like it muted like.
Check battery.
Battery is okay, 28 already.
Change it, change
Sooner or
to
later,
flat color profile.
Yeah.
Change to flat color
No,
profile.
I
the
think
manual.
Oh!
Down.
Oh, down.
How do I stop it? How do I
Cut,
stop
cut,
it?
cut.